4. Okay. Hello everyone, and today I will show you about the LPG that I just made from the gasoline to make LPG, right? With the we call airbag. We just store the air. Before I open it, I start to fill the air until it full. And this we call the gasoline or petrol, right? For burning, and otherwise with the water. If we use the petrol directly to burn, it's very dangerous for our shoe, right? As you can see, I didn't do anything. I will show you, right, about this. And I will feel that you can see here, right? Is the air that I feel, the air like this. Okay, and okay, before I start to show you how does it work, but don't forget, we just use the air to push the moisture of the gasoline or petrol, and then the air will through by this green pipe into the end. You can see here, and they will make moisture, and then will come out from this bottle to this next bottle with the water bottle, and it's here last one. Okay, and now I will show you like this. And otherwise, I will show you about this. I will show you it. Okay, I will show you about this. A lot of people they confuse it is a gas, but it so because it also. A lot of people they confuse it just gas bottle, but it's not gas bottle. It's just empty. You can see here. I just fill it with this. Can you see here? I just fill the motor wire here to set up like this. And otherwise, I will show you. I will to fill the air into. You can hear this the air is okay, and I will go to check the balloon to show you about this balloon. Okay, this balloon. And that's why a lot of people they confuse it is a gas, but I will show you with this one, with the balloon, right? And then I open it, and you can see, wow, right? Wow, it's so strong. Oh, oh, right? And you can see the ear. But I cannot burn it. I cannot burn it, right? Oh. Right? Nothing. Right? You can see like this. Okay? I cannot burn it because no anything. Right? You can see. Okay? You can see. I open it until it's nothing. You can see. And right now no anything, right? You can see no anything. Okay, I start. I close it properly, and then I push it again by this one, by this motorbike valve. I will show you again about this. And you can see here. Okay, this one for you to see. But this one, right? Okay, you can see. Okay, I close it properly again, and then I. Okay, I'm full. Wow. Oh, I burn my thumb. Okay. And next step, I will show you again about this one. Okay. Edge. Wow. It's with my hand. Okay. And then I start to open it. And you can see here, right? You can see the air pushed into the gasoline bottle. Gasoline make a moisture and then through by this pipe into this one and make a LPG. Okay, I will open it and here to show. Okay, and then now you can see it's very easy, right? We cannot directly to you. These are almost 1 liter, so we can use 1 week or 2 weeks. Wow. Okay, like this. It's very easy, right? It's very easy for you to do. Okay, so you can, if you want to strong, you can open it strong like this, and you can see nothing with this one. Amazing, right? Nothing. Right. It's good, right? Good idea. Yeah, you can use, but be careful during you set up this kind of project at your home, right? At your home. And otherwise, I will try for you to see, to show you. You can say, oh, the bones in my hand. Okay. And right now I close it. I wear. Next step, I will show you again about this one. I don't use this bond. This one. And I use with the palm here to show you. Show you again. It's it's difficult because no wire here. It's difficult. But I think that maybe I can do like this to show you. But a little difficult. As you can see here, I will show you. Okay. And I will. Okay, I will. Turn it for you. Oh, again. It's very easy, right? Even I use my mouth to push the ear for burning. It's very easy. Okay, thank you so much dear to spend the time to see my review, my video today. See you next video. Okay, see you again. Wow, okay, my channel doesn't work. Okay, thank you so much. See you next video. Bye bye.